Hello there! Welcome to lesson 6. Remember? Look at these hands. These are two hands just like yours. This is the left hand and the right hand. We're going to number your fingers starting from your thumb to your little finger. Let's do this together. And the other hand. Good job! To play this song, you'll need your right hand. You will use finger 2 and 3. Remember your sitting position and hand placement. We'll play on the 2 black keys. Can you find the 2 black keys on your piano?
I'll give you the beat, then I'll count you in, and then we start together.
Here's the beat. And now I count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done! Can you try on your own?
Here's the beat. And now I count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done! And now with some music. Here's the beat. And now I count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super and so much fun! Repeat the lesson if you wish, or see you in the next one.
Well done!